Hello and welcome back. We're continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That's all free for you and really helps us keep making these daily videos. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 294. We start with this box. We're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. If we look at this row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 6. 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 8, 4. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this column now, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 covering here and a 4 covering here, so our 4 must be here. 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this row now, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 8, 2, 3, and that 2 makes this our 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this column now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. Got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 5. 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 1. 4 here, so 5, 4. And for this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 9 here, so 5 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.